Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salam's Recipes channel. In this video, rice pilaf with barley vermicelli and Turkish Cacik will be made. 2.5 kilograms of rice is measured with a bowl and added. Barley noodle. Total material 2 cups. Rice is soaked with warm water and left for 40 minutes. Rice is washed 3 times with water and added to the strainer. It must be dehydrated. A large pot is used. Sunflower oil is added. Add the barley vermicelli and stir fry. Roast the barley noodles until they turn pink. Rice is added and roasted by mixing gently. Chicken bouillon is added and salt is added. Calculate how much salt to add. A total of 4 kilograms of 2 cups of material, and a total of 4 kilograms of water will be added, so 80 grams of salt will be added, as it will be 8 kilograms. Add 2.5 cups of boiling water, mix and close the lid. After 10 minutes, the fire is turned off and waited for 40 minutes. After waiting, the rice is mixed and left for a little longer. Now the rice is ready to be served. Turkish Cacik, a simple food made with yogurt and cucumber, will be made next to rice. Adding yogurt to the pot. Some cold water. Olive oil. Salt. Dry mint. Cucumber. Some more water. Chopped parsley and some mint. We can call it cold yogurt soup. You can follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Recipes Chef Salam. If you want to donate, you can leave a tip. Don't forget to click the like button and turn on the bell notification. See you again in a new video. Stay with love. Goodbye.